Hi, today in front of me ZTE Blade A72s, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first we should launch the settings application and then scroll down to the passwords and security section. Then scroll down, tap to SIM card lock, and you'll see here the SIM card lock switcher. So just to activate the SIM pin, you should tap once on the switcher, and after that enter your pin code. Then just tap to OK. Now we can see the message that the pin has enabled successfully. Just that's it. If you want to change the SIM pin, click here to change pin until enter your currently one, and after that enter the new SIM pin. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.